Firstly, tap and hold on any app that you're going to hide. Now tap on Require Face ID. Then, now you'll tap on Hide and Require Face ID. Now tap on Hide below to hide the app instantly. You see now that the app you hide is nowhere to be found on your home screen. Swipe left, go to the app library and scroll down. Now tap on that empty box below to open the app you hide. It'll still require Face ID to open it. Now to unhide the app. Now tap on that empty box below to open again. Now to unhide the app, tap and hold the app and then select on Don't Require Face ID. Now there's nothing hidden in that empty box below.